Let me ask you a question. How many high-paying clients have clicked away from your website this week without taking action? If you don't know, you're probably losing them, and I'm about to show you why. Picture this. A potential client, let's say a successful CEO, lands on your website. They're ready to invest $20,000, $30,000, even $50,000 to solve their problem. But within 15 seconds, they click away, gone forever. This is happening right now on thousands of websites that sell premium services. Before we dive into the major mistakes, let's talk about what makes a website attract high paying clients in the first place. It comes down to what I call the high ticket triangle. The high ticket triangle is made up of three things. Number one, you name their specific situation. You need to clearly articulate the exact stage or problem or identify the issues that your high ticket clients are experiencing right now. Number two, you need to acknowledge their sophisticated challenge. You need to show them that you understand their deep, complex pain points. And then number three, you need to promise an exclusive outcome. You need to position your solution as something tailored and transformational, not just another generic service. And if your website doesn't hit all 3 points, high value prospects will see you as just another service provider and they'll move on. Now, let's look at the three biggest mistakes keeping them from saying yes to your offer. Imagine you're a business strategist charging $15,000 for your program. Your homepage probably looks something like this. Welcome to your company name consulting. We help businesses grow and scale. Sounds professional, but here's the problem. It's too broad. High ticket prospects see this and think, sounds like everyone else. I'll pass. Now, here's a simple test. Pull up your website right now. Look at your homepage headline. If it contains phrases like help businesses grow or scale your success or achieve your potential, you're blending in with the crowd. And high-paying clients don't buy from just another face in the industry. So let's walk through your client's experience. They land on your website and they start reading about what you offer and see phrases like achieve your goals or become your best self. What's their reaction? Something like, this person doesn't understand my real challenges. And that's something that you definitely want to avoid. And here's what high ticket clients are actually thinking about at 3 a.m. in the morning. They're thinking about how do I scale past $10 million without burning out? Or they're thinking about who can I trust to help make these $1 million decisions? Or thinking about how do I maintain peak performance while building an empire? And if your website doesn't reflect these deep concerns, they move on. This isn't just about showing more testimonials or certifications. It's about how you position them. So let's do something different right now. Participate in this premium website audit. Open your website in another web browser tab. Go ahead and pause this video to do this exercise with me as it will be really insightful. Now, with your website open, go and read your homepage headline out loud. Chances are it's either about you like award-winning business coach, or maybe it's about your process like strategic solutions for scaling businesses, or it might have a vague outcome like achieve unprecedented growth. Now, let's apply the high ticket triangle to fix this. You want to name their specific situation, acknowledge their sophisticated challenge, and promise an exclusive outcome. So instead of writing on your homepage something like strategic solutions for scaling businesses, you want to instead write this: for seven-figure service providers who need to scale without sacrificing profit margins or lifestyle freedom. Now, let's talk about your About page. Most premium service providers start with their credentials. With over X years of experience and a track record of helping hundreds of businesses, I'm passionate about blah, 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 blah. Well, that's not very engaging. Your reader's brain tunes out. Instead, use this simple structure. Start with their pain point. Here's an example that you can copy. Say something like, you've built a successful business, but scaling past seven figures feels like pushing a boulder uphill. Next, acknowledge their struggle by saying, you've tried hiring more team members, implementing new systems, maybe even worked with other consultants. Then position your solution uniquely by saying, what you haven't experienced yet is a systematic approach that combines operational excellence with strategic growth without requiring more hours of your time. Now, this might be the costliest mistake of all. Pull up your service page right now. Are you making any of these errors? Listing prices without context, using comparison tables that commoditize your offer, or focusing on deliverables instead of transformation. To fix this, you need to use the value ascension framework. Now, you start with the cost of inaction. You can say something like, right now, operating without a scalable system is costing you $15,000 in missed opportunities every month. Then reframe pricing as an investment. And you can say something like, this isn't about spending $25,000 on consulting. It's about investing in a system that generates an additional $100,000 in revenue every month. Then use premium positioning by including case studies, an implementation timeline, your unique methodology, and risk reversal elements. Now, if you're finding these insights valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I share high ticket client attraction strategies every week and you won't want to miss them. Here's what I want you to do right now. Take a screenshot of your current website because after you implement these changes, you'll want to remember what it looked like before your transformation because it's going to be a dramatic change. Now, if you need help implementing this, visit SwiftBest Support, swiftbestsupport.com, because we specialize in creating high converting websites for premium service providers. Now that your website is optimized, you'll start attracting higher quality leads. But how do you close them without feeling salesy? That's exactly what I cover in my next video, how to close more high ticket clients without being salesy. Click the link on the screen or find in the description below. Drop a comment also letting me know which of these website mistakes you're fixing first. I read and respond to every comment. I'll see you in the next video.